Hi, this is Ben from Bombora Supplies, and this video is on how to replace the gasket on your espresso machine. To complete this, you'll need a Rhino screwdriver tool, or a tool that's compatible with removing a shower screen, a set of seal picks, some espresso machine cleaning powder, and a jug for mixing the cleaner. First step is to remove your portafilter. Next, you can use the screwdriver tool to locate the flathead screw. From there, you can loosen this and then remove the shower screen. If using the Gasket Evo cleaner like in this video, use 1 scoop of the cleaner and place into a suitable container with 300 ml of warm water. Give it a stir. Place your shower screen in solution and let it soak for a few minutes. Then you can use a brush to start scrubbing away the coffee oils. Once this is done, be sure to rinse with plenty of clean water. Next, you can use the seal pick to locate the underside of the seal and then remove. Make sure to inspect the seal to ensure that no broken pieces of the seal are remaining. You can see here that constant temperature exposure makes the seals very brittle over time. Next, you can line up the seal and push it upwards into the group head. You can also use the top side of the seal pick to push the seal further in. Reinsert the screw into the clean shower screen and then place it into the Rhino screwdriver. Then locate the thread and reinstall the shower screen and tighten until firm. Reinstall the portafilter and flow with hot water. At this point, you may also wish to re-season with coffee. This job's now complete. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.